Hey guys, this is Manish, and in today's video, let's talk about the recently launched phone from the Poco X2. After the successful of the Poco F1, the Poco has came with a new phone by the name of the Poco X2. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the specification, its price, or whether you should go for the Poco X2 or not. So first, let's talk about the screen size. The screen size is of 6.67 inches. It has a 120 Hz of a refresh rate for the display, and is the maximum which any smartphone is offering right now. The 90 Hz is the officially which has been offered by the OnePlus, but now the Poco X2 has come with the 120 Hz of the display refresh rate. Now let's talk about this battery. The battery is of around 4500 mAh, and out of the box you're getting the 27 watts charger, which can charge your battery from 0 to 40% into just 25 minutes. And in the next half hour to 1 hour, it will fully charge your phone. So now let's talk about is the camera. The camera on the back which you're getting is of the quad camera setup, which is of 64 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel and plus 2 megapixel. The 64 megapixel camera is your primary camera, and on the front you're getting the 20:9 aspect ratio, and it's supported by the dual hole punch technology. In that you're getting the 20 megapixel plus 2 megapixel selfie camera. If I more talk about is the Android version, the Android version you're getting is of Android 10. Over the top you're getting the MIUI 11. Again, the MIUI 11 which you sees in your any Xiaomi or the Redmi phone, the same MIUI 11 you're going to get into the Poco X2. Even though the Poco company has been re-established itself and separated from the Xiaomi, but still they're offering the MIUI version. Just a downside of the MIUI version that personally I don't like so much about the MIUI version. And if I talk about the variants available right now is of the 6GB plus 64GB, 6GB and 120GB, and the 8GB of the RAM and the 256GB of internal storage. The price range starting out for the 6GB and 64GB is around 16,000 rupees. And 1,000 more if you want to spend it, around 17,000 rupees, you will get the 6GB and the 128GB of internal storage. If you're willing to spend the 2,000 more, around 20,000 rupees, you're going to get the 8GB and the 256GB of internal storage. And it's been powered by your Snapdragon 730G, a microprocessor specially made for the gamers, and your gaming experience is just going to be out of this world if you play any games like heavy games like PUBG, any sort of a racing game like Need for Speed, or any sort which requires a heavy graphics. Out of this Poco X2, your experience is just going to be awesome. So from my side, I recommend this smartphones if you're willing to spend around 16,000 rupees. Just this phone is going to be available from the 11th of February, and if you have an ICC card, you can get an extra 1,000 rupees off, making it around 15,000 rupees. And just to add you more, the Poco X2 also offers the 3.5 audio jack, a better, bigger screen size of 6.67 inches, 120 Hz of the display refresh rate, 27 watt fast charger. So many things in the small phones around 60,000 rupees. And on the launch they have done a detailed comparison with the Realme X2, their nearby competitor. So overall the Poco X2 seems to be very much great phones in the terms of specification and in the terms of the pictures. So from my side, I give it a big thumbs up for this smartphone. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Manish, and I see you all in my next video.